Welcome, my dear students. I hope you are all well and you are studying in your home. Students, I'm Asma Nusnalaki, your English teacher. Today I will discuss Unit 6, Lesson 6, and you will be able to know different food with different functions. You will also be able to write question answer and also short composition. Before going through the text, I want to show you a picture. Look, the picture is the picture of pyramid of Egypt. Egypt means মিশরের পিরামিড। মিশরের রাজাদেরকে এই পিরামিডগুলো আসলে মিশরের রাজাদের বা ধনী ব্যক্তিদের কবর। These are the royal tombs. So why I am showing you it? You can easily guess. Today I will discuss food pyramid. Look, the structure or shape is used here to show you different food groups. And this shape has three sides with three corners. It has the bottom line and it has also the top. So students, look, the pyramid is here showing different foods. These foods are in the same level. That's why there are 4 levels in our pyramids. So student, before going through the text, I used to show you different words with their meaning. Look, there are some words. Without understanding the words, you can't understand the lesson. So first one, healthiest, most conducive to health. Understand, realize. Different, ভিন্ন ভিন্ন, various. Bottom, the lowest part of a thing. Top, the upper part of a thing. Grain, seed. Level, stage. Important, significant. Dairy, that is the milky or made from milk, the things or the foods. Product, manufactures. Delicious, highly pleasant to the taste. You have to understand this word meaning. Okay, student, because in your question you will be given words with their similar meaning, so you should preserve the words in your diary. So students, now start the text. You follow the lines and you must look at the picture of the pyramid also. So what food is good food? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. আমরা যে খাবারগুলো খেতে পছন্দ করি এগুলো স্বাস্থ্যকর নয়, মাঝে মাঝে। The food pyramid help us to understand the different food groups. Actually, food pyramid help us to understand different food groups. ফুড পিরামিড আমাদের সাহায্য করবে ভিন্ন ভিন্ন খাবার দলগুলোকে বুঝতে। And it tells us how much, কতটুকু, of each food, প্রত্যেক খাবার গ্রুপ থেকে we should eat, আমাদের খাওয়া উচিত। প্রতিটা গ্রুপ থেকে কতটুকু খাবার আমাদের খাওয়া উচিত এটা আমাদের কে বলে দিবে? This the food pyramid. So look at the picture of the food pyramid. So we will start from the bottom level. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? দেখো একদম নিচে কোন খাবারগুলো তোমরা দেখছো? These are things made from grain. Grain means শস্য দানা. For example, rice, roti and bread. So rice, roti and bread, these foods are made from grains. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Similar means একই. In food value, these foods are similar. Grains give us energy. So, students, grains give us energy. You have to memorize this line. So, শস্য দানা আমাদেরকে কি দেয়? শক্তি দেয়. Fruit and vegetables are in the next level. তার উপরের লেভেলে কি আছে? Fruit and vegetables. ফল এবং শাকসবজি। These are also very important for us. এগুলো আমাদের জন্য খুবই উপকারী। They have vitamins. কারণ এগুলোতে ভিটামিনস আছে। They help our eyes and our health. এগুলো আমাদের চোখ এবং স্বাস্থ্য রক্ষায় সাহায্য করে। On the next level, so third level student, look at the picture. There are fish, meat, dairy products, beans and lentils. মাছ, মাংস, dairy products, সিম এবং ডাল আছে। Meat, fish and chicken have protein. এগুলোতে প্রোটিন আছে। Protein means আমিষ। Beans and lentils do. সিম এবং ডালেও একই জিনিস আছে প্রোটিন। So students, this part we have finished, and again you will look the pictures and the line of the text. Dairy products are things like milk and eggs. তো dairy products কোনগুলো? যেগুলো দুধ এবং ডিম or দুগ্ধ জাতীয় খাবারগুলো। They help our teeth and bones. আমাদের দাঁত এবং হাড়কে রক্ষা করতে এগুলো সাহায্য করে। Protein and dairy make us strong. এগুলো আমাদেরকে শক্তিশালী করে। You have to memorize the line also. Which food gives us what importance? We have to know it. Fat and oil are the top of the food pyramid. Look at the top of the pyramid. There are fat and oil. These make food delicious. এগুলো খাবারকে সুস্বাদু করে। But our body doesn't need very much of them. কিন্তু আমাদের দেহের কিন্তু এগুলো খুব বেশি প্রয়োজন হয় না। But এইগুলো কি করে? আমাদের খাবারগুলোকে সুস্বাদু করে। Sometimes we can't get food. মাঝে মাঝে আমরা খাদ্য পাই না from all the different food groups. এই যে ভিন্ন ভিন্ন যে খাবার দলগুলো আছে, সব খাবার কি আমরা একই সাথে পাই না। But when we have choices about food, যদি পছন্দের বেলায় আমাদের খাবার পছন্দ করতে হয় বা খাবারের বেলায় আমাদের পছন্দ থাকে, we need to make good choice. আমাদের ভালো খাবারটাই পছন্দ করতে হবে স্টুডেন্টস। So I hope that you nicely understand this text, and if you face any trouble, you again read the text and look at the food pyramid, and which food gives us what benefit. You have to understand it. Next, there are 4 levels in the food pyramid. We have to identify true or false from the text. So it is 4 levels true. The bottom level of the pyramid has food from protein and dairy. So students, you will find out it. Foods made of grain give us energy. You will answer it. You will write T for true and F for false in your answer script. You must have to write the number and then write the true or false. X helps our eyes. You judge it whether it is true or false. Milk helps to make us strong. Our bodies need a lot of fat and oil. You have learned the text, so you can easily identify true or false. So students, you have to be given 6 true or false from your text in your question paper. Next, questions. You have to give a question also. So how does food pyramid help us? So food pyramid help us to show different food groups. It also tells us how much food of each food group we should eat. Why are fruit and vegetable important for us? So student, fruits and vegetables are important for us because they have vitamins, and what they do you will find it from the text. Which foods have vitamin? You will try to write the answer. কোন খাবারগুলোতে ভিটামিন আছে? What are dairy products? You will find out it from the text. How does protein help us? কিভাবে প্রোটিন আমাদের সাহায্য করে? Students, you will first look at the tense of the question, in which tense the question is made, and you have to answer the question in that tense. Otherwise, your answer will be incorrect. So students, you very carefully have to answer the question. Next, students, from your textbook, you have to given a short composition. You need to write the composition. First you will write the name at the middle of your copy, and then you will write a para for your short composition. Don't make 2 or 3 paras, only one para. Then you will be given the highest mark or the accurate mark for this question. So students, all for today. If you face any difficulty, you just read the text again and again. You can easily understand all the questions. So all for today. Allah Hafiz.